Hi guys and welcome back to Foxy. Today I will be creating a very creative but very easy to do graphic eyeliner. I'll be using only two colors. One, the most famous, black, and the second, a little bit of glitter, golden. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I've already done a very basic makeup and I want to lift this makeup up with a pop of color and a little bit of a graphic eyeliner. I'm using a black matte eyeliner. You can use any eyeliner that you want. You can even use glossy eyeliner. And if you're not comfortable with using brush eyeliners, you can even buy pen black eyeliner. So we'll begin with a normal wing line. Let's stretch it out a little ahead. So this is a very extra winged eyeliner. Now let's go a mile ahead from extra. Let's go graphic. So as you can see my crease, I am going to cut the crease with a black eyeliner but just a little bit higher. Let's connect these two lines. And let's make the upper line a bit thicker. This feels so dramatic. I will just complete this eye completely and then I will go to the next eye. So let's go to the golden eyeliner. If you don't want golden, you can go for any other color of eyeliner you like. Now I'm making a zigzag design on top of this black eyeliner. You need very steady hands for this, to be honest. A lot of practice needed, but as you have seen, I have left a little bit of black between the golden. So I'm going to just erase this part of the golden. So if you make a mistake like this anytime, you can just take the black eyeliner and correct it again. We'll just complete this with a little bit of shimmer on the center of the eye. So I'm using the Miss Claire highlighter palette. And I'll be using this shade which has a little bit of golden in it. I'm using my fingers directly. Do not forget to highlight just below your eyebrows. It makes your eyes look very glossy and shimmery. So let me complete the other eye and I'll be right back. So I just completed my other eye and I hope you guys really liked this look. If you did, please like and comment below what other kind of looks do you want me to create for you, and subscribe to our channel. Also tag us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, if you ever create any such kind of a graphic makeup or eyeliner look, and so that we can help you out if you have any questions or so. And you can follow me on Instagram, Simbo Art. Thank you.